Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Do you want to connect Freshsales to Google Calendar? This tutorial will help you synchronize your Freshsales tasks and events with Google Calendar, keeping you organized and on schedule. Follow these steps to connect Freshsales with Google Calendar. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. To get started with this video, we are going to follow Freshsales' official article about this topic. So, you can synchronize all the events in your Google Calendar as appointments in Freshsales. It's a two-way synchronization, so the appointments you create in Freshsales will be added as an event to your Google Calendar. Here's how you do it. If you haven't connected your Gmail address to your Freshsales account via IMAP, connect it by clicking your profile picture and select connect your email. So let's do that. Go to Freshsales website. So let's go here, Freshsales. Go to Freshworks. Go to your accounts. So here we have to go to the profile picture and setting then connecting your email. So let's go to profile picture. It's right here. Let's go here to personal settings. And here normally you should add your email. So as you can see here, I have already my email, and in case you didn't find it, well, it should be very easy to do. So, and select and connect your email. After you do so, hit the sign in with Google. I have already an account, so this account is already signed in with Google. That's why I don't have that option. I have already everything connected. And here in synchronization, I can synchronize my Google contacts already. Here you can connect your email. I have Gmail already connected, so I'm perfectly ready to go. And as you can see here, I can connect to your calendar. I can connect my calendar. So let's get to this step real quick. So hit sign in with Google, and you would be directed to Gmail sign in page. To the Gmail account you'd like to connect with Freshsales and provide the necessary access permissions. After your email account has been successfully connected, you'd be able to synchronize your calendar to Freshsales next. In the calendar drop-down, you can find all calendars associated with your Google account, or basically Gmail account. Select the calendar you want to synchronize to your appointment in Freshsales. If you do not want to synchronize your calendar, simply select the not synchronize from the drop-down. As you can see right here, personal settings, connect your email, just like that, save, and basically, as you can see, once you're done, click save to begin the calendar synchronization. You can view your synchronized calendar events in the details page of the individual lead or contract, and also from the appointments and task tab. Alternatively, if you have admin privileges, you can synchronize your Google Calendar from admin settings, integrations, third-party integration, Google Calendar. If you'd like to remove your Google Calendar from your Freshsales account to stop synchronizing events as appointments, click your profile picture and select connect your email, click remove, and in the dialog box that appears, hit yes to confirm. You can reconnect your Gmail address by repeating steps 1 and 2, 3, and by selecting do not synchronize in the calendar drop-down, hit save when you are done. So this is how it works. Now let's try to do it the second method. The second method is by going to admin settings. And here you can go to the apps and integration, app marketplace, and search for Google Calendar. So this is like basically a method that people use, but it's pretty complicated. So let me just search for it, calendar. As you can see, if you search for calendar, you will not find it. Let me just go with Google. And as you can see, even if I write Google, there is nothing like that. So how can we connect them both in like a second method? Well, there is a second method which is called by using Zapier. Zapier is basically a third party app that will allow you to connect and automate to actions with 2 different applications or more. The first thing is to go into zapier.com, click on apps, and you will be able to be on this page. Second thing is go ahead and search for the app that you are desiring to add. Let's go to search apps here and search for Insightly. After you do so, click on choose one of these apps. For example, not one of these apps, but simply click on the app that you want to add, which is Insightly in our case. Click on connect right here, and you will be taken to this page where they are going to actually to ask you for API key. This is just an example with Insightly, but you now for this video you have to use it, for example, for sure with Freshsales. So go for Freshsales normally, since this video is made for Freshsales, and choose what type of Freshsales you are using. There's Freshsales Suite and Freshsales Classic. After that, search for Google Calendar, as you can see, and make sure that you are logged in into Google Calendar as well. Then after you're done with these two steps, click on Create, click on Zaps, and now start writing the prompt. Now this is Calipot, which is an AI, so here you simply have to write a prompt that you want basically this AI to do. So for example, I want connect Freshsales with Google Calendar. Click on Accept, and as you can see right here, you will be promoted with these few settings, or basically these steps. The first one will be the trigger, and the second one will be the action. Let's add them both. As you can see here, the other one didn't really work. Let me just add like that, and there we go. So whenever there is new contact in Freshsales Suite, the Google Calendar will be creating an event. So let's create an event here. So update events, and let's click on continue, and basically you have to fulfill these fields. Of course, you can skip the ones that doesn't have required next to them, and basically just fill the one with required. In case you had like this account of Freshsales connected, some of these required fields will be automatically filled from the information getting from Freshsales. Once you are done, guys, simply click on publish, and this should be published, and now you will start the automation working, and successfully now you have made an automation between your account of Freshsales and Google Calendar. There's another information that you have to know, guys, is when you go ahead and create your first account on Zapier, you will only have 100 tasks. Task is basically like, for example, here we have this automation between Freshsales and Google Calendar. That means whenever an event is created, that means one task. So you have up to 100 events created during a month. If your company has so many events created within a month, then make sure to upgrade your plan to the premium plan. You can go here, manage plans, get the premium plan, and as you can see here, you will be able to upgrade your plan, and that will give you more tasks, which will eventually give you the access to more automations in the future, so you can have multiple things. And even in case you would like to have like multiple zaps, not only this one running, and that means you will have enough tasks for it to run both things. In each month it will be like getting up to 0 again, so you can reuse it again, as long as you pay, of course. And yeah, that was pretty much it, guys, for today's video. I showed you multiple ways on how you can connect Freshsales with your Google Calendar. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you did face any more questions or problems during this process, make sure to leave it down below in the comment section, so I can read your comments and make sure that you are responded, or basically make a new video about it. Thank you guys a lot, and see you guys in the next tutorial.